you'll be clapping to after seeing this artist's work. Just wait till you see what he creates. It got everyone dancing.
Well, hello!
Good evening.
What is your name?
My name is Johannes
And tell
Stuttler.
us a little bit about you.
I'm a visual artist. I combine my art with a message about the environment.
And this is something that you do full time?
This is my full-time work.
Head in the dust, feet in the fire. Labor